How to fix Messenger chat heads not showing error. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix Messenger chat heads not showing error. In order to fix this kind of error, first of all, make sure to update your Messenger application by going to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Messenger. So instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the application needs to be updated, if you have open, then press on it and then log in into your Messenger application. So once you're logged into your Messenger account, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Logged into your Messenger application, tap on the try bar icon located in the upper left corner of your screen. On the other half of your screen, click on the gear icon. As soon as you have done that, next page will be able to see multiple options. Scroll down a bit and head over to the section of preferences. And right at the bottom you have this chat heads button. Just tap on it and then enable it. And in order to enable this, you need to enable the permission as well. So tap on go to settings, which is right over here. And then you need to open up Messenger and then toggle the switch for allow display over other apps. As soon as you've done that, so as you can see that the chat heads has been activated. So basically this is how you can fix Messenger chat heads not showing error on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.